Chief Meteorologist Steve Templeton here. Two waves of some wintry mix. The main one, the bigger travel impact, is going to be Wednesday afternoon through the evening. Even some lingering light snow into Thursday morning, but the bulk of it coming down Wednesday afternoon and evening. So winter weather advisory for round one is due to spotty areas of a dusting and a glazing. That's going to go through tonight. I do think it's a higher chance north just because temperatures will be a little bit colder. I don't want to rule it out in St. Louis late this evening. We'll watch for a little glazing, maybe a dusting, but ground temperature should be pretty warm and help us out. Snow and mix, though, Wednesday into Wednesday night because of that system, and that is why there is a winter storm watch in effect from 6 a.m. Wednesday through 6 a.m. Thursday. That's the main punch of winter weather. So for St. Louis on Wednesday, some are going to get all snow. Mainly northwest areas are going to get the heavier snow. Others are going to get more of an icy mix. As you go southeast to St. Louis, less snow and more icy mix. This is going to start in the late morning to early afternoon. The heaviest of it is afternoon to early evening, so rough travel in the afternoon and the evening drive. Although I do think some snow will linger for parts of the area on into even Thursday morning. School cancellations or at least delays are a possibility. It's going to be a tough call because of the varying types of precipitation and tricky snowfall forecasts where some are going to get a decent amount of snow and others are going to get less snow, more sleet, freezing rain, and rain. So let's walk you through it hour by hour. Here's round one from 7 o'clock tonight. Rain, maybe start to see some wet snowflakes in the mix or a little sleet. Again, warm ground temperature should melt it off. I don't see too much travel trouble, but let's be on guard for a slick spot or two through this evening and then dry tomorrow morning. 30 degrees, chilly and cloudy. Here comes the main hit of winter weather, riding up 44 in the late morning to early afternoon. 32, borderline freezing temperatures, but some of the snow, especially to the northwest where it's heavy enough, it's overcoming that melting. We will see more of a mix as you go south and southeast to St. Louis of rain, freezing rain, sleet, and that's where you'll have the lower snowfall totals. This is going to be heavy at times, right through the evening rush hour. It does lighten up. Here's 7 p.m. in the evening. And even though drier cuts into half of our coverage area, southern half, some of this snow is going to continue on into Thursday morning. That's where some of the heaviest totals will be. Warrenton, Troy, up to maybe Carrollton, Illinois, Bowling Green. That's where some of the heaviest totals will be as it continues to snow overnight into early Thursday morning. It really winds down. Light snow, spots of it, still falling on Thursday morning, but I think the bulk of the accumulation is done with at that point. Now, accumulations are going to be tricky. I do have a 3 to 6 inch swath here where it's mostly snow, 5 to 6 inches in Warrenton, Troy, Bowling Green. That is a possibility. More like anywhere from 3 to 5 inches into St. Charles County, parts of St. Louis County, but the snowfall totals drop off quickly as you go south, 1 to 3 inches for the rest of St. Louis County, and there may be some spots where even less than an inch in parts of Jefferson County. There could be a difference of 30 miles is the difference between 1 inch in the metro on the southern southeastern flank to 5 inches on the northwestern flank. And any shift to the north or to the south in these totals can make for big changes, either less snow or more snow. So definitely stay tuned and watch for updates. The metro's just right in that transition zone where sleet, rain mix is going to cut down the snowfall totals, or if it's all snow, it could be pretty heavy. We'll stay on top of this. New model data coming in. We're looking at the latest, so please check in on News 4 for an update.